I've got a bunch of reviews here in Excel, and I'm going to use Copilot to help me do some sentiment analysis. What I'm going to do is use the Copilot function, and for my prompt, I'm going to say classify this review as positive, neutral, or negative. And there are limits as to how many prompts and how many calls you can do with Copilot, but one way around that is by setting up an array. So I'm going to select this value and go all the way down to the end. So I'm selecting an entire range of data as opposed to just doing one formula at a time. Now I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to go through and classify each one of these reviews as positive, neutral, or negative. And that was just one simple formula. So I don't have to worry about running into those limits about exceeding 100 calls per 10 minutes.